Hello. What you're about to see is a crazy lynx. It's a villain. It comes from North America. It lives in mostly houses. And if you speak too loud, it's gonna be scared, very scared. Come, I'll show you. I'll show you. Be quiet. It's a dangerous cat. Dangerous, very dangerous. Look at him. He's already, see? He's protecting his nest. He's having a big nest. He's protecting it, huh? That's the family. He's covering the eggs because he's having some big eggs. Let's see. Don't be scared. He's very, very friendly. Look at him. As I was saying, he's very friendly. That's a very friendly cat. It's okay. It's okay. Don't panic. Don't be scared. It's okay. That's only a cat. He's living by the bushes here in North America, but he's laying his egg right now, so it's very dangerous to approach him. Look at him. Let him talk a little bit. He's not dangerous at all. He's just feeling a little bit crazy right now because he haven't eat like a meat for at least 3 days. Look at him. I'm gonna approach my face from him. Look at what's going on, little catty. What's going on? Okay, we're gonna put him to sleep right now. We're gonna give him some vodka. Let's see what happens. Okay, high five, buddy, high five. Okay, I'll see you later, buddy. I'll see you. Come over here. I'll show you another animal.